guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Spare Locks. In this video I'm going to be reacting to IPL, you know what I'm saying, final closing ceremony. What you talking about? Golly man, so hey, let's check it out, man. What you talking about? Yo, that's like total black, like dark, you know? Oh, the light show. Wow. Wow! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! This is kind of like a party song, man. What are you talking about? Wow. Yeah. Wow. Nah, this is amazing, man. Wow, that's incredible. You know what I'm saying? That's incredible. Grandpa is just having fun, you know what I'm saying? That's the vlogger. That's the vlogger himself, man. Shout out to that dude right there. Wow. That's amazing. You know what I'm saying? The whole stadium is packed. You know? But yeah, man. I'm here for the light show. You know what I'm saying? You all let me know what you think about this, man. Golly. And also shout out to, you know what I'm saying, the guy that actually made the video, you know. Let me show you his channel real quick. You know what I'm saying? So this guy right here, Johnny on Wheels. Shout out to you, my dude. You know what I'm saying? Your video is saving lives right now. Your video is saving lives right now, man. What you talking about? Golly. But hey, you all let me know what you think about that right there, man. You all see the firework? Honestly though, I got so surprised when they played the KGF, you know what I'm saying, BGM over there. And I gotta be surprised, man, what you're talking about. But hey, that will be the end of the video for today, guys. Please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying. I will see you in my next video. Golly, man.